Hi, welcome to Lasso channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to erase background in Photoshop. In here, I have some example image and we will try to erase this white background. So, we can open our Photoshops. To erase background in Photoshop, we have two methods. The method 1 is faster rather than the method 2. The method 1, if your background is the same color like this, you can choose Wanda tools. Okay, this is Magic Wanda tool. You can try to click in here in your background and then you can delete. And before do that, we need to choose our layer in here and unlock like this, and then we can gels. This is the method 1. They faster but not smooth in some case like this. The method 2, we can using Polygon Lasso tool or using pen tool. You can try both tools, but I prefer using Polygon Lasso tool because we have to set the feather and make our image are smoothly when remove or erase the background. I will show you in here. We can press Z to zoom like this, and then we can press base. Okay, don't forget to set the feather. I'm usually using 15 like this, and we can using Polygon Lasso tools. You can drag using space on your keyboard, or you can zoom using press C in your keyboard like this. I think in some case it's better than using Magic Wanda tool, because in Magic Wanda tool it's just best for same background like this and not recommended for any color on background or have much color. Okay, this is for selection, and like I said before, you can using pen or using Polygon Lasso tool like me. You can choose a tool suitable with you, and you if you are enjoy using pen, just using pen, but if you enjoy using Polygon Lasso tool like me, just you can using Polygon Lasso tool like me also. Like this, and be carefully. In some case, the path of image that we want to remove background is in the hard position. you must combine this polygon lasso tool in your first uh, in your first uh, selection like this, and then after appears a layer like this, you can find to select layer and select in first. Okay, select in first. After that, you can just press delete on your keyboard. Voila, that's all tutorial how to remove background in Photoshop or erase background in Photoshop. And this is our results. And higher your set feather will higher effects like smoothing like this. Okay, hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching and bye bye.